What is the longest sofa you have ever seen? In my showroom, there is a very long sofa, about 6 meters. The sofa is inspired by the Greek goddess Urania, representing creativity, courage, and decisiveness. If you like to invite friends to your home for gatherings, you can't miss this sofa. Can you guess how many people it can accommodate at the same time? I especially like its wide armrests, where you can put your books and your cell phone directly, and the base is made of solid wood, very sturdy. There is also a special point, the sofa side design of a very nice finished side table with marble metal material. You can put any of you want, very convenient. This sofa is not only practical, but also has a Greek mythology style. Do you like it? I'm Susu, 15 years in furniture design and production. Follow me. I will be back.